Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a Lego Crossy Road T-Rex. And this particular T-Rex has a movable head, so he can actually check to see that the road is clear before he continues. So if you want to see how to make this Lego Crossy Road T-Rex, well, let's do this. Okay, to build your own Lego Crossy Road T-Rex, you're going to need the following pieces. Now, if you've got them in green, that's great. But if you don't, well, I'm sure any other colour will look fine. So let's get started. So first of all, grab a 2x4 plate and some of these white studs. We need 6 of these, so we'll just pop those on. And that's going to be the teeth for the T-Rex. So we pop that on like that. Then we need a 1x2 plate, sits at the back. And then we use a 2x4 brick, and that sits on top like that. Now, if you've got these 1x1s with eyes, that is pretty cool. So we just pop those on there like that. And one more piece we need, which is for the neck. Now, that's just a round 2x2 plate, and that sits on like that. So that is the head of the Crossy Road T-Rex. So now we'll go ahead and make the feet. So we'll grab one of these 1x1s and a 1x2, and we'll do that again on the other side here. And then we'll put a 1x2 brick on top, and same again for the other one, like that. Now we use a 2x3 and we'll join them together. So pop that on like that, and that one on like that. Now we use a 1x4 plate, and that'll just sit underneath like that. Now we grab another 1x4 plate, and that is just offset by one stud, just like that. Now we'll grab a 1x1 brick, and we'll just pop that on top there, and a 1x1 plate, that'll just sit there like that. Okay, so now we need a 1x4, and that sits there like that. And then we're going to get a 1x3, and that's actually going to sit underneath like this. Then we grab a 1x2 and we put it there to join that in, and another 1x2 plate just goes in there like that. So that's the body almost complete. Now we just need something to put on for the neck. So we're using a 1x2 jumper plate, and that just pops on there like that. Now we're going to go ahead and make up the little hands. So we're using a 1x1 and a 1x2 and another 1x1 here. So that's what the little hands will look like. Go ahead and do another one of those. 1x2 and a 1x1 and another 1x1 there. So they just clip on like this, and the same again on the other side like that. So there's the little claws for the T-Rex. We'll just pop his head on like that. And this little Lego Crossy Road T-Rex is complete. And you can actually move his head around, which is pretty cool. I was going to put some little Technic bricks on the side here so I can swivel his feet too. But I think he looks pretty cool like that. So that is the Lego Crossy Road T-Rex. If you want to see more Lego Crossy Road figures, well, leave a comment down below and I'll see what I can come up with. So please like and subscribe and tell your friends. And don't forget to hit that bell button because you don't want to miss out the next time I post a video. So until next time, it's bye for now.